Hello, good morning. This is Benji again from Atma Service. So, now to the rescue tayo. Meron tayong tutulungan na kaibigan. Na nasiraan siya ng starter motor para sa kanyang Nissan Murano. So, as I told you before, I keep doing a video for some friends that need some help to perform some job to your car. But yeah, of course, the problem of this car doesn't start. Even I poke the starter motor, still won't start until the starter motor get burned. So normally the simplest diagnose. Some technician, they used to knock the starter motor while somebody doing a starter. But if the starter cannot be done, first of all, we have to remove the battery, disconnect the battery, and make sure that the battery is not connected while you're performing the alternator or starter, just to make sure that there's no spark occur on your vehicle. And then of course, aside from that, we need to remove the battery, because the battery is under the starter is under in the battery side. Okay, after we remove the battery, we have to remove the 4 bolts from the battery mounting. Okay, 1, 2, and the other one is here, 3, and there's another one there inside. Okay, the battery mount here. Okay, so the starter is here. So if you look at the starter, okay, I show you right here. Okay, yeah, that's the starter. Okay, so you have to remove this fuse box from the mounting, and then yeah, so the starter is there. So we need to disconnect this solenoid switch for the starter, and 12mm bolt for this battery supply from your solenoid. So we need to remove this bolt, 14mm bolt for the starter, and there's another one here underneath on the starter as well. So here, 14mm. Okay, nakita nyo, I show you. Now it's moving, so it means you already disconnected or loosened the bolt. Okay, so now we are going to remove the battery, the starter now. So, but before you remove the starter, you have to remove this dipstick transmission dipstick. Okay, because it will attach to your starter there. Okay, so you have to remove that one, and be careful, make sure that there's no other thing that will touch to your starter. Now, this is a starter, so it's already removed, so everything is already there. It's out of the way when you remove the starter motor. So it's easy, right? So when you put it back together, you have to clean the terminal for the starter terminal, so that it will start easily. Okay, but yeah, anything is easier if you have proper tools. Okay, in this terminal, both sides, you have to clean it. Then now you have to put it back, the starter. Okay. I already put back the new starter motor. Make sure that this solenoid switch is connected properly and your battery terminal is connected properly. After that, we have to put back the transmission dipstick. Okay, okay. Okay. So I already put back everything, but before I complete everything on the car, I have to put back this battery to check if the car is will start. If not, so maybe you get something wrong. But we have to test if this starter is good now. Okay. Check. Oh, good. So now car is running. So now, of course, you have to complete everything now. Put it back together, and then you're clear to go. So already done the means you don't have any problem with the starter now. So put back everything. So now I completed everything here. So now I try to start with the remote starter. Okay, by the way, I'm also the one who installed this, but we check if this is working or not. But you have to press the... Okay, now works good. But of course, before you test this remote starter, you have to press the full pin switch. Okay, so now it's working good. So the tools that I use to perform this starter motor, I use the 14mm wrench. I have the ratcheting wrench and the box wrench or combination wrench. I have the 12mm socket, 10mm socket to remove that, extension if you need it, 10mm combination wrench, 12mm ratcheting wrench. Okay, that's only I need to show you, so that you don't bring, if you don't have any tools, or at least you have a common tool. So this ratcheting electric battery type ratchet is not necessary, but if you have it, then better. But of course, if you want to do by yourself the starter motor, you can do it by yourself. And of course, and for those asking for how much labor for this to perform this starter motor, it's only 0.8 based on the manual. Okay, only 0.8 for the labor. So sometimes, even me, sometimes I'm looking for the time labor, so at least you know already, and then your customers knows also how much the labor for this. Okay, I'm not saying that okay you overcharge or whatever, so at least you know the cost. But of course, it depends to you. If you can give discount to your customer, better. If not, it's up to you. So it's a business. So anyway, you're paying your tax and everything in your business. So you need to charge them properly. You're not cheating them. As at least you know them that they know that they know the labor hour. Okay, based on your labor hour, it's up to you. So it's not covered on my business. But I just telling you, so at least you have an idea how long you're gonna perform this job. But of course, uh, you're not overcharging, or if you are customers, you know that the technician will not overcharge you. Okay. Okay. I hope I give you some tip on this uh, job. So can you please share, like, and subscribe my channel. Click the bell for notification so that every time I doing some video for those, I will give you more. Okay. But by the way, if you have any suggestion regarding, like, for those technicians that are doing this kind of job outside, so if not, if you say that it's not very unethical to say the labor hour on this video, so it's up to you. So I don't know, please give me an advice, so that I will not do it again. But if you say that it's good for you that I keep doing my job, telling the labor hour for any job, so I keep doing that for you. But if you say so not, then I will not. Okay. Okay, I will respect your decision. I will listen to your comment. Okay. But yeah, hopefully I can give you more video from simplest job to hardest job, or whatever I can do outside the shop. Okay, by the way, thank you very much and have a good day. Please stay home and safe, be healthy. Thank you.